Alright, what's happening, folks? So tonight I'm going to continue on with the flea market knife challenge. Hashtag. What I've got so far, got my epoxy resin, bunch of this stuff, stapler, bags, and this guy. Here we go. Alright folks, well I got the handle material for the micarta. I got it all resined up and clamped. And yeah, I think we should be good to go. Tomorrow I'll take it out of, take the clamps off, see if everything's set, hopefully cut them, and go from there. Have a good night. Alright guys, I just wanted to let everybody know to check out the video that I'm going to be posting after this one. It's got a little bit of fun footage from today at the knife shop. Be sure to check it out. I think you'll get a kick out of it. Have a good night.